Well, wouldn't you know that it's okay to take days off, right? Been gone for a while, my fault. But I've had a very exciting path ever since just taking a moment just to recalculate my thoughts and where I'm at in life and how I'm going. Big updates, right? So the biggest thing, my full-time job is going awesome. A little rocky start, and honestly, it's kept me busy for a very long time. I just want to formally say, if you have dreams, chase them. Don't let what you want to do prohibit you from doing that, if that makes sense. If there's something you want to do, something you want to chase, it's something you really, really want, go after it. And don't delay that process, because the moment you have any doubts that this is the right path for you is when you stop trying to get there. And the only way to get there is to say you can, and you are going to, and you will. They always say there's the difference between if somebody's able versus if somebody's willing. And I was willing to sacrifice a lot for the job that I wanted. My career has been boosted. My side hustle, per se, with photography, videography, has been getting so much better just as well. And I am working nonstop. I'm a family man. But the biggest thing is that doesn't stop me from building a life that I know for them, for my children, it's going to be just amazing for in the future. And that's what keeps me going every day, right? I have my vision board right up here. Make sure you guys see that. And every day I look at this and I'm like, what can I do to keep this path going to make sure that I am being as successful as honestly physically possible. The biggest thing for the vision board that's helped me out is just understanding these are goals that I set for myself. These are goals that I want. And the only thing that's going to stop me from getting there is honestly just me. And if I'm the reason why I'm not successful, I'm not okay with that, right? If there's something that's stopping me from getting to where I want to get to that's just completely not in my control, then I just find a different path. But to say that at the end of the day, to myself, did I accomplish the goals that I set out for? And obviously, this is a vision board. It's for a full year. I want to get things done, but I want to do it in small little incremental paths. So I'm not just overloading myself, right? Set goals and then set mini goals for them, right? Clear expectations. What's your North Star? How are you going to get there? And why are you trying to get there? And to me, honestly, that goes a long way versus just saying, hey, I want a new car. Let me go to the store and buy one. Well, break that down. Why do you need a new car? Right? It's very possible you just don't. And when I bought a new car, honestly, at the end of the day, the answer was I just didn't need one, and I bought one anyways. And that wasn't very successful. Yes, it was necessary. My truck was breaking down. I could have waited another year to do that, and it would have been more beneficial today. Could have got something a little bit different. Could have worked on my credit score to get that a little up higher, so I can have a little interest rate to really make my next purchase super impactful. But I wanted it, I saw it, I could buy it, and I did. But now I don't do that, except for my 3-year-old broke my TV over the weekend. Apparently you need a new one when that happens. So rule of thumb, your kids are playing basketball in the house, just make sure they're not playing basketball next to your TV, or you're gonna be pissed. I was very unhappy, but whatever. Got a huge TV, absolutely love it. Hold on, right? First of all, don't just buy a new TV for no reason. Have a good reason for it, but it's a decent sized TV. It's gonna look smaller on here, but it's okay. 65 inches. I'm pretty happy with it. Don't mind me just watching some old Casey Neistat videos. Because obviously, like, he's busy too, so he doesn't post as much. So I'm just watching old stuff, which is okay, and it's freaking focus. Side note, off topic, Canon G7X Mark III. Not a purchase. Not a purchase you should make. Wait for the G7X4, or honestly go with the new Sony ZV-1, or they have another one that's kind of like the M50. Canon M50 is also really good too, and then Sony has this new one that's kind of like similar to the M50, interchangeable lenses, small, just like these compact cameras. I mean, honestly, the G7X like Mark III works really well for photography. It's nice, it's simple, it's straight to the point, it goes in your pocket. Absolutely love it for that aspect of it. When it comes to making videos, no. I would rather just use a GoPro in that case. And you know, like I was making videos like every single day for a while, and I realized that I was setting a goal a little bit too high on an expectation for myself. Like maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, once a month. I'm still trying to decide on that because it's got to be realistic for you guys just as well. And I want to make sure I can deliver in a timely fashion. I'm just not. So right now, I'm not making an expectation or goals to post a video. If you see a video, freaking awesome. If you don't, know that I'm working really hard to provide you with the next content as soon as possible. And if I'm not doing that, it's because I've been playing with these damn things, which is super cool. If you've never played with a Kodama before, definitely recommend like taking a moment and getting one. Haven't practiced in a while. Hold on. I don't want to lie to you. Wait, okay, hold on. Okay, that's 4 times. Maybe the 5th time's a charm. Oh, got it. Okay. And damn it. I promise I'm not this bad. Whatever. That's fine. Okay, hold on. One more time. Let's see if I can get it on the topper on this one. No. There we go. Pretty cool. So that's what I've been kind of like just playing with, cleaning up and doing all this jazz. And you know, life is good. Life is good. Okay. See you later.